Let us see now the next chapter, linear equations in two variables. Now, linear equations in two variables, they are also called as the simultaneous equations. Now, solve the following equations here. The first sum you see, m plus 3 is equal to 5. So, m will be equal to 5 minus 3, that is 2. 3y plus 8 equal to 22. So, 3y will be equal to 14, 22 minus 8, that is 14, and so 3y will be equal to 22 minus 8, that is 14, and y will be equal to 14 upon 3. Then x upon 3 is equal to 2, so x will be equal to 3 into 2, that is 6. Now, fourth one, 2p is equal to p plus 4 upon 9. So, bring this p on the right hand side to the left, it becomes 2p minus p equal to 4 upon 9. So, that is p is equal to 4 upon 9. Now, which number should be added to 5 to obtain x or to obtain 14? Let the number to be added be x. So, convert this statement into a equation. So, this becomes x plus 5 equal to 14. So, x plus 5 is equal to 14. X will be equal to 14 minus 5, that is 9. Now, which number should be subtracted from 8 to obtain 2? Let the number to be subtracted be y. So, 8 minus y is equal to 2. So, 8 minus y is equal to 2. So, 8 minus 2 is 6, and minus y you take on the right hand side, that becomes plus y. So, y is equal to 6. So, in all the above equations what we see, degree of the variable is 1. So, such equations they are called as the linear equations. Now, let us consider these linear equations in two variables here. So, when we consider at the same time two linear equations in two variables, those equations are called as the simultaneous equations. Now, here consider this activity now. On the glasses of the following spectacles, write the numbers such that the first sum, their sum is 42 and their difference is 14. So, such numbers you can see, sum of the two numbers is 14 and the difference is 16. So, how to find out this one? Here see the difference of the two here. Let the two numbers be x and y. So, x plus y is equal to 42 and x minus y, difference between the two numbers is 16. So, add the two equations. So, that becomes 2x is equal to 42 plus 16, that is 58, and x will be equal to 58 upon 2, that is 29. So, one number is 29, and then substitute in one of the equations and find out the second number 13. So, one number is 29 and sum of the two numbers is 42. So, 42 minus 29 is how much? 13. So, the second number is 13. So, this way you can find out the numbers on the spectacles using these equations. Now, second one you see, their sum is 37 and the difference is 11. So, let the two numbers be x and y. So, x plus y is equal to 37 and difference between the two numbers means again x minus y is equal to 11. Add the two equations. So, 2x will be equal to 37 plus 11, that is 48. So, x will be equal to 48 upon 2, that is 24. So, 37 minus 24 will be equal to 13. So, the second number is 13. Same way here also, x plus y is equal to 37, x minus y is equal to 17. So, you will get 2x will be equal to 37 plus 54 plus 70, that is 74. So, x will be equal to 74 upon 2, that is 37. Now, the difference is 20. So, this one, the one number is 37. So, the second number will be 37 minus 20, that is 17. Now, here this you have to just form the equation here. Find the number, two numbers as their sum is 40 and the difference is 14. So, same way you will do, x plus y is 40, x minus y is 14. Add the two equations, you will get 2x will be equal to 54, x will be equal to 27. So, x plus 27 is equal to 40. So the second number y will be equal to 40 minus 27, that is 30. Now there are two methods of solving the simultaneous equations. First is the elimination method of solving the simultaneous equation. Now let us understand with the help of this equation here. Solve x plus y is equal to 14 and x minus y is equal to 14. Now here the coefficient of x as well as of y, it is same. Now coefficient of y in the two equation, in the first equation it is plus 1 and here in the second equation it is minus 1. So when we add the two equations, what we get here, this one 2x will be equal to 16 and x will be equal to 16 upon 2, that is 8. So x plus y is equal to 14. 8 plus y will be equal to 14. So y will be equal to 14 minus 8, that is 6. So 8 and 6 is the solution of the first equation. Now let us see whether it satisfies or not. Put in the first equation, that becomes x minus y is equal to 8 minus 6 is equal to 2 is true. And in the second equation if you put, then 8 plus 6 is equal to 14, that also is true. So hence write down in the round bracket 8, first you should write down the value of x, 8, then the value of y, comma, y, that is 6, is the solution of the simultaneous equation x plus y is equal to 14 and x minus y is equal to 2. Now let us see the second equation. Sum of the ages of mother and son is 45 years. If son's age is subtracted from twice the mother's age, then we get the answer 54. Find the ages of mother and son. Let the mother's today's age be x years and son's today's age be y years. Now from the first condition, sum of the ages of mother and son is 45 years. So from the first condition we get x plus y equal to 45. Give it equation number 1. Now from the second case, what we get, son's age is subtracted from twice of mother. Twice of mother's age means 2x and son's age is subtracted means subtract y. So this is equal to 54. So adding the, now again here in these two equations 1 and 2, coefficient of y is same and it is having the opposite side. So by adding the two equations, y will be eliminated. So x plus 2x is 3x and y minus y is 0 and 45 plus 54 equal to 99. So 3x is equal to 99. X will be equal to 33. So substituting x is equal to 33 in equation 1, we get 33 plus y equal to 45. Y will be equal to 45 minus 33, that is 12. So now when we substitute in both the equations here, we see that the y, verify that x is equal to 33 and y is equal to 12 is the solution of the second equation. So today's mother's age is 33 and son's age is 12. So thus we see that the general form of the linear equation in two variables is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers and a and b are non-zero. Now this way we have to solve the two equation. Now substitution method of solving the simultaneous equation is cancelled. Now let us see practice set 5.1. By using the variables x and y, form any 5 linear equations in two variables. So anyway you can take the coefficient of x and y and form the equation. So the first one is x minus y equal to 6, x plus 3y equal to 2, x plus y equal to 0, 2x plus 3y equal to 5, 4x plus 5y minus 6 is equal to 0. So any coefficient of x and y you can take, or any variables, other variables also you can be taken like mn or lm or ab. In that also you can write down the simultaneous linear, any linear equations in two variables. Now write the 5 solutions of the equation x plus y equal to 7. So in x plus y equal to 7, substitute x is equal to 1 first. So when you take x is equal to 1, y will be equal to 7 minus 1, that is 6. So the first set of solution is 1, 6. Then substitute x is equal to 2. So 2 plus y equal to 7. So 2y will be equal to 7 minus 2, that is 5. Then substitute x is equal to 3. So y will be equal to 7 minus 3, that is 4. Then substitute x is equal to 4, or you take substitute x is equal to 7. So y will be equal to 7 minus 7, that is 0. Then substitute x is equal to minus 2. So y will be equal to 7 plus 2, that is equal to 9. So thus we see that these are the 5 solutions of this equation. So any value of x you can take and then you can find out the value of y. Now see the third sum now. Solve the following simultaneous equations: x plus y equal to 4, give it equation number 1, and second one is 2x minus 5y is equal to 1, give it equation number 2. So multiply equation 1 by 5. So that first equation becomes 5x plus 5y is equal to 5 4s are 20. Now from equation 2 and 3 you see coefficient of y is same and with the opposite sign. So adding 2 and 3 you will get this, y will be eliminated, 7x is equal to 21, x will be equal to 3. So substitute x is equal to 3 in equation 1, x plus y is equal to 4, y will be equal to 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1. So 3, 1 is the solution of the equations given. Now second one, 2x plus y is equal to 5, 3x minus y is equal to 5. So again coefficient of y it is same with the opposite sign. So add the two equations, you get 2x plus y equal to 5, 3x minus y is equal to 5. So 5x is equal to 10, x is equal to 10 upon 5, that is 2. Substitute x is equal to 2 in equation 2, 3x minus y is equal to 5. 3 2s are 6 minus y equal to 5. So 6 minus y is equal to 5, minus y is equal to 5 minus 6, minus y is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 1. So answer will be 2 minus 1 is the solution of the simultaneous equations. And then third one, 3x minus 5y is equal to 16, give it equation number 1. 3x minus 3y is equal to 8, give it equation number 2. So multiply equation 2 with 3. So 3x minus 9y is equal to 24. Subtract equation 3 from 1. You get 3x minus 5y is equal to 16. 3x minus 9y is equal to 24. So you will get 3x minus 3x will cancel. Change the sign of the second equation, minus 9y, make it plus 9y. 16 minus 24. So this becomes 4y is equal to minus 8. Y will be equal to minus 8 upon 4. That is y is equal to minus 2. Now substitute y is equal to minus 2 in equation 2. You will get 3x minus 3y is equal to 8. So x minus 3 into minus 2 is equal to 8. So x plus 6 is equal to 8. X will be equal to 8 minus 6, that is x is equal to 2. Then you have to write down the answer. 2 minus 2 is the solution of the given equation. Now let us see equation number 4. 2x minus y is equal to 0. 10x plus 15y is equal to 105. So here multiply equation 1 with equation 1 with 10. So that becomes 20y minus 10x is equal to 0, and minus 10x plus 20y is equal to 0 is the third equation. So adding this second and the third one, this becomes here, this becomes plus 10x minus 10x cancels, 35y is equal to 105, y will be equal to 105 upon 35. So y will be equal to 3. Now substitute y is equal to 3 in equation 1. 2y minus x is equal to 0. So 2 into 3 minus x is equal to 0. 6 minus x is 0. X will be equal to 6. Now the fifth equation, 2x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. 2x plus 3y is equal to minus 4. And so now subtract here, this is equation 2. Multiply equation 2 by 2. So that equation becomes 2x minus 10y is equal to 22. Now subtracting equation 3 from 1, 2x plus 3y is equal to minus 4. Now the second equation, when you are subtracting, you have to change the sign of the terms. So plus 2x will become minus 2x, plus minus 10y will become plus 10y, and 22 will become minus 22. So 3y plus 10y is 13y is equal to minus 26. So y will be equal to minus 26 upon 13, that is minus 2. Now substitute y is equal to minus 2 in equation 2. So x minus 5y is equal to 11. So x minus 5 into minus 2 is equal to 11. So x plus 10 equal to 11. X will be equal to 11 minus 10, that is 1. And then write down the answer. Then sixth one, 2x minus 7y is equal to 7. So 3x plus y is equal to 22. So multiply equation 1 with 7. So 21x plus 7y is equal to 154. So adding 1 and 3, 2x minus 7y is equal to 7. 21x plus 7y is equal to 154. So 23x is equal to 161. So x will be equal to 161 upon 23, that is equal to 7. Substitute x is equal to 7 in equation 1. 2x minus 7y is equal to 7. 2 into 7 is minus 7y is 7. 14 minus 7y is equal to 7. So minus 7y is equal to 7 minus 14. Minus 7y is minus 7. Y will be equal to 1. Now solve the simultaneous equation. Now here this you can solve by the substitution method, but I think only now that portion has been reduced.